Hey everyone, Allie here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a fantastic week. I thought today we could start our video off doing something a little different, and I'll give you a little behind the scenes tour of where I make all of my soaps. So my craft room slash soap room is actually in the attic. So we come up the stairs here into the attic, which used to be my son's room. My son is now 22 years old and lives on his own. So I converted his room into my craft space. So here is where I keep my soaps. And then if we come this way, I've got some shipping supplies. My dirty soap dishes don't look. I have this super cute art print that I got off of Etsy, and I will link that in the description below. You should check out that shop. It's really cute. They have so many cute things. Some storage containers, soap making supplies, and this is the table where I film all of my soap making. I have one to cut later right there. Trash can, of course. A couple of lighting and video filming things. The window outside. And then on this wall, I plan on putting shelves. You can see those shelves over in the corner there. I'm gonna put 3 shelves there. And then on this side, I actually do other things besides soap making. I do some sewing. So I've got my sewing machine over there. I've got a Cricut, my Rollo printer for all of my shipping labels, and my printer. I actually have a table that's gonna go up here too, where I'm gonna put all of my printers. And then I just got this rug yesterday and I love it. I think it's so stinking cute. Walmart actually, pretty cheap. I think it was only like $112. And then all of my soap making supplies here. And then I have a closet, which I have not filled yet, but I have other sewing machines and containers and things like that. So there it is. This is where we make all of the soap. I hope you enjoyed that little behind the scenes tour of where I make my soap every day. But now it's time for the important stuff. Let's make some soap. We are gonna start off by checking the temperatures of our oils and our lye water mixtures, and we are good to go. I'm gonna add just a couple teaspoons of kaolin clay to our oils before we add in our lye water. Kaolin clay is really good to add because it helps create a nice slip on the bars and creates a nice lather as well. And it can also help to anchor the fragrance that you're using. Okay, that's all mixed in, so now we will add our lye water. I'm gonna do 3 different colors for this one today, so we are gonna go ahead and split up this batter into 3. First mica color that we're doing is a yellow, and then a pink, and then I'm gonna do an aqua, but I'm also gonna add a little bit of titanium dioxide to lighten that up just a bit. The fragrance we're using today is from Midwest Fragrance Company. It is called BAJA Cactus Blossom, and it smells so good out of the bottle. It has top notes of herbal greens, sparkling citrus, middle notes of vanilla coconut and cactus flower, and base notes of warm musk and sandalwood. I'm really hoping that the kaolin clay that I added will help retain the fragrance, because it does say that it has a mild retention. So it appears that my soap batter is behaving quite well, so I decided to just go in and do a drop swirl for the design. So I'm just gonna layer each color over and over and over. And you can see here our batter is starting to get a little bit thick. We'll give this a final tap on the table to release any air bubbles. I decided to try using a whisk today for my texturing on the top. I've never done it before, so we'll see what it looks like. And here is our finished soap. We're gonna put this away for 24 hours and come back for the cut tomorrow. We are back 24 hours later, and we are ready to unmold this. As you can see, the top kind of discolored a little bit, so I'm interested to see what the inside looks like. And here is our first bar. I am pretty happy with the results. The colors are still vibrant, and I got a pretty decent drop swirl. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed the making of BAJA Cactus Blossom. If you did, please go ahead and hit those like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.